My name is Vijay Kumar. I am studying in Jetking Dilsukhnagar. Okay. Today my topic is network infrastructure and structural cabling. In this, first of all, what is a network? Network is nothing but a connection of two or more PCs by giving physical or logical connections and making them communicate with each other is known as network. Now comes to how the first of all how the network is configured in the organization. Okay. There are so many methods to configure the network in organization. In this, one of the method is what I am going to explain. First of all, I am getting ISP connection. This is the ISP connection. This is the ISP connection we are getting from the ISP providers. ISP providers. Here, ISP is nothing but an internet service provider. Okay. In this Hyderabad, ISP providers are Hathway, AgFiber, and Tata Docomo, etc. There are so many ISP providers. Okay. Now we are getting internet from the ISP providers, and now I am giving this ISP to ISP switch. By using this ISP switch, I am converting the connection to the cable, ISP cable. Now I am providing this ISP cable to firewall. Here, why we use firewall? Firewall is a device that provides security to the organization. In organization, there is a consist of large amount of confidential data. To secure the data, we use the hardware firewall. Actually, firewall of two types. Now here we use a hardware firewall. Actually, how firewall works means firewall filter the data which coming into the organization, inbound and outbound. Okay. Firewall check the data which is coming inside and which is going outside, filters and provides blocks the data which is unwanted and takes the data which is wanted, and makes that connection is given to the switch. The switch is connection that takes one connection and provides other connections, many connections. Okay. Switch is a device that connects that provides the connection between the many different devices by using which are connected to it. Now the switch is connected to the server. This is the server, and which is connected to the server. Server is a system that acts as an administrator and controls all the networks in this organization. It controls the data flow in this organization, data flow, security, and many security protocols updates. And it also uses it for the updates, different updates and information updates regarding employers, regarding securities, etc., etc. And now from this server, I am giving connection to the telecloset. Telecloset is a racket which consists of a router. Like they communicate with each device. They establish the connection between the devices which are connected to them. But in hub, what happens if we send the data? It broadcasts the data to all the devices which are connected to it. But in switch is an intelligent device which works on the MAC address, MAC table. First of all, what happens in switch? When devices are connected to the switch, first of all, by using ARP protocol, it takes the MAC address of all the devices. Every network device has its own MAC address, unique and its own MAC address. With the help of that MAC address and IP address, switch directly send the data to the particular device and particular PC. That's why in switch there is a less traffic and transmission signal is very high. Now here you can see there are two cables, vertical cable and horizontal cable. The cable which is vertical is known as vertical cable. The cable which is horizontal is known as horizontal cable. Vertical cable is also known as backbone of the organization. Why? Because it is the only connection that connects the server to the optical telecloset. That's why if there is any problem here in vertical cable, it also brings all the network in this floor down with it. That's why it is known as backbone cable. Now comes to horizontal cable. The horizontal cable here connects the telecloset to all the devices. By this network divides equally and give the internet connection, network connection to all the PCs. And now by using this server, we can control the data flow. If I want to flow off this HRPC, I can. By this I blocked the PC. I blocked the connection between the PC. Why did I provide this project? I can directly provide contact directly provide to server. Yes, we can. Why did I provide this socket? Because if I provide all the connection to the server, it get messy. There is a bunch of files are get messy. If I got any problem in this PC, I can't resolve it quickly. It can take some days to resolve it. By this structure, network engineer can easily resolve the thing. Network engineer can easily check the connection and solve the problem within fraction of seconds. If we have any problem with this system, first of all he checks software troubleshoot by doing software troubleshoot. If not, then he directly go to teleproject and check whether the connection is correct or not. If the connection is problem, then he can easily directly reinstall other cable with other cable. In this way, he can select easy. He can solve the problem within fraction of seconds, fraction of minutes. That's it. Thank you.